What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at HEDERA, HBAR. Now, we will see that HEDERA has been trading downwards, higher, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, as you can see right here. And that is because we have a very huge obstacle right here. Yes, we have a huge obstacle. You can see from this level, we drop down, we hit resistance, we drop down, we hit resistance, we drop down, we hit resistance, we drop down. Now we are hitting resistance again. Are we going to be able to break above this resistance? That is the question. If I should take away all my analysis and we critically analyze this now, as you can see, if we check the weekly volume on HBAR, you could see that even the volume is down. The volume is down from the weekly time frame. The volume is down, really down, guys. The volume is down. The volume is low. But is this the right time for you to buy the dip? Most definitely. In fact, this is the perfect time for you to start accumulating. Accumulate a lot of HEDERA. Accumulate a lot. This sign only means one thing, guys. To the moon. To the moon. But it's not a financial advice. I'm just saying, not financial advice. So now back to where we are. And before I start analyzing, I need to make sure that this is kind of locked. I need to make sure that it is locked. Oops, it's not locked. So I have to make sure that this trend line has not been tampered with, so that I won't analyze nonsense. Honestly, I need to start making my videos from my YouTube, but I have not gotten the necessary equipment needed for me. There haven't been time, honestly speaking. So I'll be locking this right now. I'll be locking that right now. So back to where we are. Coming to the daily, we could see that we just broke a resistor. We came all the way down here to retest this level. If you're watching my videos on HEDERA, you definitely know that when the market was really down was when I came up with all these levels right here. So these levels are still holding up for us. As you can see, this played a very major role for us. So if I can adjust this, you see that it really played a major role for us. So now we have there is a whole lot happening right here. Yes, we need to consider the fact that we're in a downtrend and we dropped all the way down to this major support. We recovered, we broke above this resistance, which is the 17-cent resistance. We broke above it, and now we are at another resistance here. Now this resistance is the elephant in the room. That is what I need each and everyone first to understand, that this resistance right here is the elephant in the room. You could see a lot of wicks on each of these candles. That's to show you a lot of sell pressure that is going on right here. There's a lot of sell pressure going on right here right now. So should I say, okay, maybe this trend line might hold? I don't know if this trend line is going to hold at all. I don't know if this trend line is definitely going to hold, but I definitely know that if we're getting a breakout above this resistance right here, if I get a breakout above this resistance, our next price target will definitely be 18 cents, 0.1811. But if we're breaking above this resistance, we definitely need to know that we need to break above it with volume, guys. We need volume to break above this resistance. And by volume, I mean a lot of volumes to break above this resistance. So if we're breaking above this resistance, we're definitely breaking out with volume, which makes our next target to be 0.1811. If we can break above that, then we can come all the way down here to retest. We'll come all the way down here to retest, and then once we've done that, we could rally much higher from here. If not, I'll say we are definitely going to come down, because as you can see, looking at it, it has kind of dipped. It has kind of dipped. So we should be expecting worst case scenario, we drop all the way down here, we retest, and we go below this support right here, which is the 0.16. We drop all the way down to 0.1465. This is what you should be expecting right now. But worst case scenario, we might drop as low as 0.126. Worst case scenario, we might drop that low for HEDERA. But these are the levels you should definitely be buying HEDERA. If HEDERA should come down to retest 16 cents, it's a good buying area for HEDERA. If HEDERA should retest come all the way down to 14 cents, it's a perfect buying area for HEDERA. Because if you can see, speaking of the weekly time perspective, you could see that HEDERA was able to pump really hard, because this HEDERA chart is giving XRP chart. So I am being tempted to open a long position on HEDERA right now, but I am waiting for a breakout, because as you can see right here, a move all the way from this level to this side, which was roughly how many percent? 900%. 900% move to the upside. Definitely, you should most definitely be expecting a lot of corrections. Because this happened when did this pump start? This pump started roughly October, roughly November, first week of November, guys. First week of November. 900%. Most definitely, you should definitely be expecting a pullback. Because if I should open a chart on HBAR right here, HBAR USDC right here, just to show you guys. Now, take a good look at this, guys. With just a Fibonacci, I might even be opening a long position right now after this particular stuff, if this chart can convince me that okay. So as you can see right now on HEDERA, from the Fibonacci retracement, you could see that we've dropped down a lot. We dropped all the way down to, we even went below what is it called, 0.618% level. So we're at a level of resistance right here. We're at a very level of resistance. So I think I need to be watching this chart right here. This is also another perspective where you can look at this from. So this retracement is just perfect for you to go all in on HEDERA right now. I'm trying to, it's been long since I made videos, so I have to make sure that I update you guys very well with clarity, to make sure that you take something of this video. Yes, you take something of this video. So this is a very like wonderful video to watch. You should be grateful watching this video, honestly, right now, because this video got a lot of things for you to take away. It got a lot of takeaways. So yeah, we need to consider the fact that there is this in playing out right here, and there is also this resistance right here. So we need to consider this resistance right here. If we're not breaking above that, then I'll say there's a possibility for us to drop all the way down to, this is actually very scary, we're dropping all the way down to 11 cents, 0.117, which I honestly do not see happening. But as you can see, there's a possibility for this happening because of this right here. So we definitely need to watch out for these levels right here. Just wanted to like let you guys know what is happening right now. So from the 4 hours time frame, you could see that we're kind of getting rejected from this resistance right here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't want to make this video lengthy for you guys. If you do enjoy this video, do subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.